Quality, precision, efficiency. All of this under one brand. Die Qualitätsmacher. Measurement technology from a single source. Die Qualitätsmacher unite a group of 4 companies in the fields of production metrology, automation technology, manual metrology, and special gauge construction. We are dedicated and intensely involved in efficient, high precision, and properly documented production. With us as a group of companies, you are sure to have found one of the most exciting partners in this field. Benefit from the decades of experience of 4 companies, each of which sets benchmarks in its own field. Lehnert has been providing highly automated special measurement solutions for all aspects of the production process with unmatched efficiency for decades. EVS is a proven expert in automation and efficient production. ORPV is a benchmark for gauges, setting masters, and statistic process control stations. And Messtechnik AG is a leading manufacturer of standard and special solutions for dimensional production metrology. With the help of our group services, you can master virtually all challenges in and around the high-precision manufacturing process. From a significant increase in efficiency to complete and reliable 100% inspection documentation. Die Qualitätsmacher, the driving power behind your efficient production.